Unaweza simama hapa kando kindly, with all due respect. Thank you. Perfect. Anyways, hello beautiful and amazing people. Welcome to Life with Dama. This is another village episode, and today I am super excited because of what this episode contains. But just before we get there, I want to ask you, if you are probably watching this content and you haven't subscribed, honestly, you're not doing good. You are not doing good. So you already know what you're supposed to do. Please click the red button that says subscribe. It is absolutely free of charge. Imagine, like, this video is almost at 4K. You guys, imagine if all of you had subscribed. You know, consuming this amazing content without subscribing, that's a criminal offense and you need to be arrested. How about that? Anyways, on today's video, we're just going to talk about the cows. I know the last time we did an episode about milking the cows, but we want to talk about more about these amazing animals that God blessed us with. So in today's video, we are just going to take you through, together with my mom, some of the amazing and maybe probably some of the unique things, or rather something to elevate you and educate you about cows. How do you survive with these cows? Okay, what are the zilitangwaje? Unaona venye gari inaendanga kwa garage kufanyiwa service. So what about these cows? Do they just live by producing milk and that's it? No, that's not the case. Of course, they have a way that they're supposed to be maintained. Okay, for instance, these amazing 2 dairy cows behind me, this being one of them, how do they actually mate? How do they do the production, whatever, for them to nini babies? The fact that we don't have a male cow here, that is another thing that you're going to learn today. Aside from that, you understand that also these amazing and beautiful cows, the fact that they go to eat uko chini, what are some of the challenges that they experience as cows? We are also going to talk about that. And how do we solve that challenge? Are we together? Also, another thing, you remember the other time I told you that these amazing 2 cows, they produce a lot of milk and we actually make money out of that. You're going to understand how. I'm going to show you the process after the cows are milked. What is the process of us making money through the milk that the two cows have produced? That's another thing that you're going to learn about this video. So about these amazing cows, honestly, there's so much that you can learn about them, and so many of you guys are putting even cows in your village, but maybe you're doing the same thing as us to maintain the cows, and some of you might be wanting to start dairy farming, but you actually don't know how to start or how to do it to maintain such amazing cows to be this healthy, as you can see in the video. So don't worry, that's why I'm here in the village, to make sure I take you through all that process for you to be educated and to have that knowledge, so that you can help also someone you know. Uta breathe hivo dada yangu. Okay, ana swallow. Yeah. So there's just a lot that you're going to learn that I believe it's going to help you and you and you who is watching me. And imagine watching this video without subscribing. So no matter where haunifanyi poa. Imagine, this is such a rare opportunity that I've been given with this cow. As busy as it is always, imenipatia this opportunity ya kufilm hii video nikiwa hapa kando. Tell me how many cows will be able to stand still when we're actually talking about them. How many? Alafu unakata kusubscribe. I mean, that's not justice, eh? But anyway, let's get right into it with our first activity of how we maintain these cows to make sure that they are healthy and that nothing has harmed them in one way or another. I hope you'll enjoy this. Also, I thought of wearing the same outfit as they have, white and black. We are goals. We are marching. Piga hiyo picha. Anyway, let's get right into it. Good morning. Good morning. This is just a continuation of the video I started yesterday in the evening from the introduction. And hey, kumbe nakuanga kanono hivi nikiamka. So you remember I had told you that I'm going to take you through some of the things that we do in regards to dairy farming. Some of the things that we do to maintain and also to make sure that our cows are in a safe place. And one of the things that we actually do is to spray the cows. So it is 7:03 in the morning, and this is the best time to spray the cows. My mom is going to explain the importance of as to why the cows are supposed to be sprayed. So behind here is a store. Let me flip my camera. Here is the store. This kanyumba you're seeing here, when you go to every village here in the central side of Kenya, you will always find this kanyumba. When you look at it from the outside, you might think it's an extra room or one of the houses, but this is a store. It is usually somewhere at the corner. So this is where the main house is, and this is where the store is. It is known as Ikobe. Ikobe, it's the Kikuyu word for this store. So when you go to Ikobe, what will you find inside there? So this is a store whereby everything in regards to tools, chemicals that are being sprayed kwa shamba, na vitu kama hizo jembe, panga, slasher, this is where they are stored, in this safe place. That is why we have this store here. And even in other homesteads, that is the purpose of it. So that is where my mom is going to toa the bobo. I don't know in English naitwaje bobo. I will Google and make sure I write the name down here. Oh my goodness, forgive me, it's early morning. So this is where my mom is going to remove the bobo and the chemical that the cows itakuwa imemixiwa. Like, I'm just going to take you through the process. You see how it is done, but it's such an interesting process. Also, you have to have the right uniform when you're doing that, because the chemical is extremely strong. So you have to wear the coat, you have to have gumboots on. My mom was actually explaining to me and telling me the mask hata si safe enough kwa sababu still the chemical, because of how strong it is, bado inapita kwa mapua. So sometimes she has to cover herself with a scarf like this one, so that the smell is ipite, because if you don't cover yourself vizuri, the chemical can affect you afterwards. So let's do this. She's right here coming with her coat and a undertaker. Nakumbuka undertaker. There she goes. Mamake ako hapo. Huyu ni kama wanawasafirisha. Oh. Sini basi unaona jana nikikwambia ni panya. Ni paka alikuwa anaingiza. Ndio huyu. Amebaki mmoja. Here is the store, guys. We also have a cat that gave birth. Akakuja kuficha watoto hapa. I don't understand why cats hide their kittens once they give birth. So my mom was telling me, once the cat realizes that umejua kwenye watoto wake wako, anawahamisha one by one, anawaficha mahali pengine. I think it's the safeguard of your motherly instincts. It's a way of protecting their children. So ako kanalia ni kama kamesahaulika. But yeah, here is the bobo. Mom, unajua hiyo bobo inaitwaje na English? Knapsack. Inaitwa? Knapsack. 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 There you go, you had it. So you see how it looks. Inakaa kama bag. Iko na mpaka mishipi zake. So lazima uwakagie maji. Nasikia hiyo harufu already. Hebu onyesha hiyo dawa yake venye inakaa. So this is the chemical. Inaitwa Bisafi.
Bisafi. And 8 EC.
Yeah. So you might be wondering why are we spraying the cows? Tutajua tu tukifika hapo, you will understand why. But in the meantime, we're going to show you how the mixture is done. You have to be very careful. Again, you remember I told you you have to safeguard yourself with everything that it takes. You see my mother right there with the gumboots. You must you must rinse the you must rinse the baba, the napio.
We have the shungi.
Oh yeah, we have a car.
Isiingie majani yoyote hapo. Kuja kufunga noso. Sairo na spray. Hii ndio noso.
Okay.
We call it noso, this one.
Oh, so this is where the water, ama the chemical, the dawa
comes.
Okay. Very nice. So each and every dawa that you spray, you have to mix it with water because the dawa is very strong. Sindio? Wonderful.
Angalie vizuri. Unafaa kupima 20 milliliters.
Hiyo ni kifuniko moja? Kanusu?
Iko na nini? Iko na unaweka moja kwa bobo ya 20 liters.
Okay.
Yes.
So the whole bobo is 20 liters.
Na hiyo ni 25 milliliters.
So maji lazima ijae hapo?
Lazima ijae hapo.
Oh, that's 20 liters.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nifunike vizuri. Urudishe kwa stove.
Okay.
Weka karibu na watoto.
It's very dangerous. Kisikia mlango anafikira ni mama yake.
Lazima umix chemical properly. Sawa, hii hapa. Naona inatoka. Naona inatoka.
Yeah.
Mix chemical properly. Unaongeza maji. Unaendelea kuongeza maji mpaka ifike 20 liters.
And that's how strong the chemical is. For it to be added more and more water. So that will be enough for the 3 cows.
Yeah, 2 cows, 1 calf. Dama moja.
Oh yeah. So there is 1 liter, 5 liters, 10, 20,
15, 18, 20.
And you have to follow instructions. Wale watu wenye mnapea ng'ombe dawa na other things na unakosa kufuata instructions, there are always consequences for that. It's the same thing when you go to the hospital and you're given medicine, precautions. You're usually told 2 times 1, 1 times 3 evil. So there's a reason as to why doctors prescribe such. So also animals do have the same prescriptions when any medicine is given for them to be treated. So I told you this bobo is weared as a bag. Utavali hapa ama utavali huko?
Hapa tu.
So I'm going to show you how It is one.
Then unabeba mtoto wako hivi.
Na ni kamzito. There you go. Perfect. Now we are going to where the cows are at their station. It is easily done when they are somewhere settled compared to venye unaweza zispray kama zimesimama, moja kwa pande mwingine, mwingine kwa side nyingine, because they can be stubborn just like human beings. Sasa watu wengine watakangi kunywa dawa, pia ng'ombe sinaona venye wanaangalia, they already know it's time. So mom, sikuwa nimewaeleza kwa nini tuna spray.
Na spray ya kupe. Na kupe ni mdudu mbaya.
Hebu simama kidogo explain. Mom. Ndio nini?
Ana sasa imeanza kupupu. Imeanza kuogopa sasa.
Sasa
tuna spray juu ya kuna mdudu mmoja anasumbuaga ng'ombe. Kunyonya damu, unaona? Wanaogopanga.
Pia wanakunya.
Wanakunya sasa.
Nasikia goosebumps.
Unajua harufu.
Oh. So ya kupe is another ni insect ya ng'ombe.
Yenye nasumbuanga mnyama.
Inanya damu, it's just like kunguni.
Inanya damu. Na ng'ombe hawezi toa maziwa mzuri.
Oh, okay.
Hawezi toa maziwa mzuri.
Yeah.
Sasa lazima ufungie pale kwa kichwa. Isichomoke.
Oh.
Unaona pale nimefunga.
Yes, yes. Let me zoom.
Lazima nifungie pale kwa shingo.
Hapo kwa shingo it's been locked.
Yeah.
As I've told you, they become very stubborn when they are sprayed.
Then we start.
Okay.
Sana inakuanga mpia.
By the way, that kupe, guys, it's very uncomfortable. Just like kunguni. You see how you cannot be able to survive with a kunguni because of how you will keep. It's very itchy. Kwa sababu inanyonya damu, so it's the same thing with cows. So if you're doing dairy farming and your cows are also experiencing the same, you have seen the right medicine to use and how to do it. This is very important for you to note. Yeah. So guys, you have had the disadvantage if you don't spray your cows with this medicine, especially if they have the ticks. If you don't spray them, sometimes they feel very much uncomfortable and they can't be able to produce milk comfortably because of the itchiness and the uncomfortability that comes with them having ticks in their body. And they can be so many. Mpaka na sneeze. I will try and see if I will see some from the other cow before it is sprayed. You see how they spread all over the body, in the legs, kwa mkia, backbone, stomach, maskio, and sometimes it's very itchy. When the cows are around here or somewhere in a tree, you will see the cow trying to scratch itself. Oh, yes. I was actually about to ask my mom that question. How often do you now spray the cows? And she just mentioned you spray them weekly. So that is very important, guys. So if you're doing dairy farming or if you just have cows in your homestead, make sure you consider that. That's if they have ticks. I will show you how an example of a tick looks like so that you can be able to notice. Sawa sawa. So let me show you like this one. Let me take a close up here. I've seen one tick. This is how a tick looks like. You see it? It's somehow gray and white in color. Sasa kama hii bado ijaanza kunyonya damu vizuri. You see? I don't know if I'll see kwa miguu. Huyu venye ananiangalia. Umekasirika hata utaki kuniangalia na venye unakuanga beshte yangu. Sasa, good morning cow. Pole, it's not going to be that much, it's going to be quick, eh? Sawa. Bunaoneka uko na tick kwa masikio. Acha nioneka uko na leo ajiski. She's not in the mood literally. Na mwenzake pale. So you see, I told you we have some similarities with these animals. They are so moody. It's just like you. When you're about to get an injection or you are given some prescription by the doctor. Unakasirikanga, unasikia umeboeka, unanuna. So you have seen it's almost the same thing with the animals. Hence it's being unique. So kuna hawa tick wengine hapa. So naona, let me take a close up, you see? And it usually sticks. Ina stick kabisa. It does not easily come out. But you can always assist the cow, but maybe using a mti. Let me see if I'll get one here. Nitoe. Nifinye muone venye itakuwa imenyonya damu. So that you can understand what the tick does to a cow. You see how it's hard to come out. Imeshika kabisa. Haka nikakichwa ngumu. Acha tutoe na mkono. Hata ijanyonya damu sana. Unaiona? Hii hapa. Hata ijanyonya damu. It is. This one, hii ni kama iliingia shift ya asubuhi. Iko imenyonya damu ya kutosha. Kupe. Angekuwa na uwezo atoke hapo. Hey, tulia.
Naangalia sana upande wa macho.
Oh, isingie kwa macho?
Ingia kwa macho. Kanyaga macho ipotee.
Guys, you've heard when you're spraying also you have to be careful with the eyes. The dawa is very strong, it might blind the cow if you're not careful. Wewe. Tulia. Huyu wako a bit calm. But then guys, this cow just loves drama. Huyu anapenda drama sana. This one is always calm. Whether he's drinking water, whether he's eating, very calm. You see, compared to how the other one was behaving. So guys, there's another interesting thing that I want to show you that you actually didn't know. Did you know that cows usually take salt? Like salt. Ng'ombe huwa wanakula chumvi. And it's not just the kawaida salt that we use in food, but that's another fact to tell you that how unique is when we actually share the same similarities. The same thing, the way you can't eat food without salt. The same thing with cows. They also eat salt. And their salt is somehow unique, even in color and how it is shaped like. Na nilisikia hii chumvi lazima ng'ombe ikue nayo. And my mom is going to tell us why they actually take salt. Let me show you first how it looks like. Here is the salt. You see these two particles here? There is this, the white one, and this brownish one. So far it has eaten this one, as you can see. This is how the salt looks like. It has like a hole in between, so once you buy it, you place this big stick, and when the cows are coming here at their station, they do what is necessary. So let me ask my mom why it is important for cows to have salt. So mom, I want you to explain, why do you give cows salt and why is it important for them to take salt?
Chumvi
Hebu pause kidogo tu, hiyo kelele itasikika.
inasaidia na calcium.
Inasaidia na calcium.
Tena inaongeza maziwa.
Oh. Okay.
Sasa kuna kama hii ya white. Hiyo ni ya kuongeza maziwa.
Oh, okay.
Hii nyingine nayo ni ya calcium.
Oh, interesting. So lazima chumvi ikue throughout.
Throughout. Kama unataka kukua mkulima.
So how much is hiyo piece?
Hii ya white ni 750. Na hii ingine ni 650.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Na inasaidia, inakunywa maji sana. Na unajua maji ikilaba hii chumvi inakunywa maji kwa wingi. Na unajua maji ndio inafanyanga maziwa, inatoa maziwa vizuri.
Okay.
Inafanyanga ng'ombe itoe maziwa vizuri.
So
hapa kama 30 minutes.
Okay.
Hiyo dawa imwagike.
Okay.
Ikishamwaga hiyo dawa, tunazimungulia, zinaenda mahali zinaenda kukura mafefe.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, you have heard the benefit of cows being given salt, and it has to be there throughout. You have heard the white one is for the milk, and the brown one, it helps in calcium. Same thing as you. You have to check yourself. That's why we drink soup and other foods for the sake of calcium, mifupa, you know, and for you to be able to produce vitu vizuri. Yeah. So right now we are going to where the calf is. Very stubborn calf. Yani huyu tu anakuanga na utoto tu venye ni mtoto. Wacha mtamuona. It's a male calf. Very stubborn. Anakula nyasi hapa. Acha tufunge mlango. Ndio asitusumbue. Unafunga? Mlango niache? Oh. Ndio huyu ndama wetu hapa. A very dramatic ndama. Ni ndama. Dramatic. Gashao sasa. Ambia watu subscribe. Siambia watu subscribe. Subscribe, ndio hiyo umeambiwa. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Ooh. You see how it's done? So guys, the reason as to why I haven't tried yet, I really wanted to, it's because I don't have the protective gears. We only have that one coat that my mom is wearing and the gumboots. Alafu, I felt like asking her to remove them, to give me, to be able to show you guys. If I can do it, it's a lot of work. So for today, I just choose to be an audience just like you. But I hope you're enjoying the video. Sawa. And if you are doing so and you have learned something, why then can't you subscribe to my channel so that you can be able to help me as I'm helping you guys? At least be fair. So I wanted to ask as we wind up this video, kazi umefanya kazi nzuri. Wanasemanga what men can do,
woman can do.
woman can do.
No, woman can do.
Women can do better.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask, we have a calf here and we have 2 female cows.
Yeah.
And one of the cows is the mother to this calf. And we don't have male cows. So how did this calf yes, where did it come from? Was it a miracle baby? Ama how does the process go by if you don't have a male cow?
Inakuanga hivi, mamake saa ile akitaka begu, yani akitoa joto, kuna vile huwa ana behave.
Okay.
Anapadia mwenzake. Hata kama ni female, mwenzake anampadia juu. Hapo ndio unajua huwa anataka nini? Anataka dume. Kuna saa nyingine ya kuitana, kutoa sauti, kuitana. Ukisikia akisema akikaa throughout, akitembea, hata turi kula nyazi, bado hapo ndio unajua anahitaji begu. Kwa hivyo tunaitanga hawa watu wanaitwa AI, ndio wanakuja wanatupatia begu. Begu ni aina nyingi, kuna ile kama ni ng'ombe ya brown unataka, begu iko, kuna ya ganze, kuna ya jese, siko aina nyingi.
Okay.
Na inakuanga bei tofauti kuanzia 900, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, hata 20 iko. Siko aina nyingi hizo begu ukitaka kulingana na uwezo wako.
And also depending on the type of cow you want.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Hiyo ndio inakuanga.
Okay. So now that we have this male calf here, you told me the other day uliniambia alifinywa private part yake because he is a male cow.
Alifinywa.
Why was that? Why did that happen?
Ukitaka kunindi jua kusubua hizo ng'ombe zingine, tena ukitaka kama ni ya biashara, ikifinywa inakulanga vizuri, inakuwa strong. Hata ukiita mtu wa kununua anaona hii ng'ombe imeunda na na inakupatia pesa mzuri.
Allah.
Kwa hivyo wanafinyangwa ndio watengeneze begi.
Okay. Interesting. Thanks a lot for educating us.
Welcome.
Also with the cow spraying and all that.
Yeah.
Mungu akubariki sana mkulima bomba. Yeah, so guys, you heard it from my mother. What an interesting way for cows to actually mate if you don't have male cows. That is something quite new that I've also learned. Me, I didn't know. So as you have heard, when a cow is warm, kona joto, kama venye wanawake wanakuanga na joto, anaenda natafutiwa a male cow. And as you've heard, there are different types of breed depending on what you want, and each and every breed has its own price. Okay? Yeah?
Atafutiwi male cow. AI kuna hawa watu wanakuja wanaweka begu.
Wait a minute. I had missed on that. There is something that my mother is clarifying. I think I had got it wrong. So my mother is actually telling me it's not that inaletewa ng'ombe ya ndume. Ebu explain hapo, sikuwa nimeshikanisha.
Hapa kuna veterinary officers wanakujanga wa kuweka mbegu, wanaitangwa AI. Ndio wanakujaga wanaweka mbegu, anakuja na nazo. Kwa kabo kuna vile wanakuanga wamebemba kwa hiyo saduku yao. Then akikuuliza unataka gani, yeye ndiye anakuwekea.
Okay. So ana insert huko kwa matanyi.
Anaingiza huko ndani kulingana na vile ile nini yako.
Allah.
Na maziwa imekuja kupimwa.
Haya, okay. Haya, so guys, you've heard. Hey, my goodness, that's interesting. So as you've heard, when you realize your cow is warm, according to how my mom has explained, umesikia how veterinary doctors wanaitwa sijui AI. They come with different types of seed. You know, if you want a brown cow, if you want sijui Germanini, those types of cows that you've had my mom explain, each and every seed has its own price, depending on its worth also, and depending on the affordability, you know. So at least there is something for everyone. Yeah, that's interesting. That's quite interesting, and that's quite a lesson. Me, I thought like a male cow is brought and then the business is done. Kumbe, it's not like that. I honestly didn't know. Ebu, type down below, did you actually know how cows do mate? Did you know that it's a seed which is planted inside at the back huko daktari anaingiza? Did you know that information? I hope anyway you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have had some 1, 2, 3 things that you've been able to learn. If you have cows and maybe you didn't know some of the things that we've talked about, now you know. I have been so glad and I've been so much happy to take you through the lessons, you know, anything to do with cows. I don't know if I have missed on anything, but kama nimesahau kitu and would like me to elaborate or take you through, guys, please make sure you comment down below so that I can also do a video if there is something that I've forgotten about the cows. But I believe we have exhaust a lot about it. And just in case you haven't watched the other video about me milking cows, there is also something to learn there. Make sure you also watch this video so that you can be able to be updated. I had told you guys that we make money through dairy farming, and one of the ways that we do is by selling milk, you know. And there was the exchange maziwa venye naekwa, but I'll make sure I capture so that you can understand how it is done. But my mother is going to explain that to you. So mom, nilikuwa naambia our viewers that we make money through dairy farming, and one of the ways is through selling milk. So I want you to tell them how much liters do the 2 cows produce in a good day, and how much that cost inaleta profit kama ya pesa ngapi.
Kwa hizi ng'ombe zote mbili, kuna mmoja akona mimba ya miezi 5.
Oh, kuna mmoja akona mimba?
Okay. Akona mimba 5 na huyu mwingine akona mimba ya miezi 2. Kwa hivyo saa ile wakizaa tunausanga karibu inakuanga kutoka 38-40 kwa hizo ng'ombe mbili. Lakini sisi hatupeangi daily meal. Sisi tunapeanga hii mafefe ya yellow maize. Hiyo ndio tunapandia.
Okay.
Hiyo tunapanda, ikishaanza kutoa maziwa ndio tunaipea. Kwa hivyo tuonagi ikiwa mbaya. Tunauzianga hii kampuni ya Uhuru ya maziwa.
Okay.
Yeye ananunua bei mzuri kwa kilo, anatununulia na 47 shillings per kilo.
Per liter?
Per kilo ya per liter.
Okay. So tuseme kama leo imeproduce lita ngapi?
Leo hatujauza nini. Kulingana na vile tumeuza leo, tumeuza kilo 21. Na hiyo bado iko sawa. Anifile imebeba mimba.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hiyo lita 21, umesema lita moja ni
47 shillings.
So in short, ukicombine zote, how much is that?
Ukimultiply hiyo 47 na kilo, tunapatanga inakuwa pesa mzuri by the end of the day. Tunafurahia. Yeah.
So guys, you can do the multiplication and you can tell.
Do the multiplication.
So that is each and every day. Remember, maziwa inauzwa each and every single day, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, pia Sunday.
Yeah, pia Sunday. Every day.
So you can do the multiplication, and when you do like your 25 liters times 45,
47.
47.
47.
Mnauza 47 bob.
47 bob per kilo.
Yeah, per liter.
Yeah, ni per kilo. Sasa tunasemanga kilogram na liter ni the same too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you can do the multiplication now times 30 or times 31 days. And you can see the profit that the milk brings you. So imagine, despite you doing the despite you doing having other farm benefits in terms of crops, kama ni waru nauza, mahindi, spinach, nini and all that, you can tell how much you have per month from the cows. Do your mathematics and see how much that is. So kama wewe umekuwa ukikalisha ng'ombe zako hapo kama aesthetics kama wewe umekuwa ukikalisha your cows there kama aesthetics, people are making money, good money per month. Imagine, by you just milking, maintaining the cows as I've told you, make sure they are grazing nicely, make sure they are having maji vizuri, you know, make sure you have sprayed them. Like any challenge inaweza fanya ng'ombe yako ikose kutoa maziwa vizuri, just make sure you have maintained it at its proper, you know, way, so that you avoid having hasara. You know, usikue tu na ng'ombe tu inakaa hapo and it's not helping you with anything. So do the mathematics, guys, and see how much that is per month. I hope nimekuchanua. Ni ya kukamua, and you can see my mother is tying the legs ya huyu ng'ombe. You might be asking yourself why. Sababu ni gani mkamuaji wetu wa ng'ombe?
Kwa sababu titi moja imegwarwa na sivingi.
Iligwarwa kwa nini?
Walikuwa wameruka kwa shamba. Kukula yellow maize. Napenda yellow maize sana.
Yeah. So what happened? They trespassed kwa shamba. Wakakula mahindi kama venye mmesikia. So moja wayo ambaye ni huyu hapa, na ndio anakuanga my favorite cow, akagwarwa matiti. Alipata injury moja deadly. So the reason as to why anafungwa ni kwa sababu akikamuliwa she becomes a bit violent, anarusha mateke because of kusikia uchungu. And also my mother, nilikuwa namuuliza lazima tu ikamuliwe. Let me show you that matiti. Sijui kama unaiona hii hapa side ya right. Acha mama aonyeshe vizuri.
Let me show them properly. Let me show them. What is this one? Yeah, this one.
So I was asking my mom, is it necessary for it kukamuliwa ikisikia hiyo uchungu? My mom akanambia lazima, haiwezi acho ipone kwa sababu itafanya nini mama?
Itagojeka ugonjwa wa mastitis.
Hiyo ugonjwa hiyo umesikia? Hiyo ni ya matiti.
Matiti.
So ikikosa kukamuliwa inakuwa it causes a bigger problem. Yeah, so I hope you have learned about that. So it is easier done when the legs are tied like that. Hata kama inasikia uchungu, at least it is manageable, because mom is also handling it with a lot of care. Chamuone wewe, si uliona consequences za kutrespass ni gani? Next time usirudie, sawa? Na mwenzako hapa, huyu ni ule kichwa ngumu, amelamba chumvi. Kuna lipstick. Hiyo ni ya Riri ama ni ya wapi? Yeah, so that's what we are doing right now. Milking the cows with my mother, is the one who is on duty. What are you doing?
I'm milking. Like a machine.
Sawa bro.
was unused. Yeah. Nakamua hivi itapisha maziwa.
Anyways, thanks a lot for sticking with me. Umemaliza hii video. Thanks a lot for your patience. I don't take it for granted. God bless you so much for your support. Honestly, it means a lot when you stick all the way till the end of the video. And I hope you have enjoyed. Please tell me what you have learned on the comment section. Let us engage, let us communicate, so that I know that I'm doing something of importance. Sawa sawa. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching this video. May God bless you. May God watch over you. And may God Mungu aendelee kukuprovidea time ya kuwatch content yangu and also to share with your family and friends. Otherwise, if that was my time, and this is Life with Dama, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you have liked, and make sure you have shared this content to whoever you think it is important to. Otherwise, goodbye. That was my time.